Okay guys, here is the last one that I kind of want to explain before you move on and start your review by yourself. So tomorrow you're going to have a question very similar to this one, which looks kind of odd here. We have some symbols, but it looks kind of like math, but it looks like symbols. So I just kind of want to explain how to do a problem like this before you do one tomorrow. So if you notice, you have this symbol. It says triangle times 100 equals square. Well, like, what does that mean? Well, let's look at it. So it says a number sentence is shown above. Which table shows numbers that make this number sentence true? Well, the number sentence is triangle times 100 equals square. So in a problem like this, your answer choices are 4 different tables. I'm going to draw this out to the side so we could still see it. So we're looking for which one of these makes this number sentence true. So if you look at the table, we have triangle numbers on one side, square numbers on the other side. So they're saying if I plugged in this triangle number for the triangle right here, so 33, and if I times it by 100, it should give me whatever's on the square side. So is 33 times 100, does that equal 3030? Is that true? If it is true, that's what we're looking for. If it's not true, then that's not what we're looking for. So 33 times 100, does that equal this? No, it does not equal that. So I know this first one is not what I'm looking for. You can check the rest of them too. So 33 times 100, you could put times 100 here on all these to see if it would make sense. No, that doesn't work. Remember when we did our trick times 100, we did, okay, 33, it's times 1 is still just 33. And then I'm going to add however many zeros I have in the problem. So I need to add 2 zeros. So 3,300. Look, all the numbers are the same. So I'm just going to go ahead. All right, let's do 55. It's asking us to times it by 100. Right? 55 times 1 is 55. I now need to add 2 zeros. 5,500. Okay, 88 times 100. 88 times 1 is 88. Let's add 2 zeros. It's just like moving it over 2 places, 2 place value places. 140 times 100. This one's tricky. Look, 140 times 1 is still 140. Now, I already have a 0 there, but that one doesn't count. I still need to add 2 additional zeros. So this 140 is not part of the 2 extra ones I need to add. So add 2 extra ones, and I get 14,000. So I'm looking for these numbers in my chart because I have multiplied each of them by 10. Excuse me, by 100. So let's look at B. If I do 33 times 100, do I get 330? That doesn't match what I got up here, so no, not going to be B. What about C? 33, if I times that times 100, do I get what I'm looking for? No. Look, they just added a 100 in front of it. Let's look at D. 33 times 100, does that match what I'm looking for? Yes, that one does, because I've added the 2 zeros. I've moved to the place value to the left twice. Okay, 55 times 100. Yes, that matches. 88 times 100. Yes, that one matches. And 140 times 100. Yes, that one matches too. So the table that makes this number sentence true was D, because when I actually did do times 100, my numbers lined up correctly. So my triangle side times 100 gave me the square side. Triangle of 55 times 100 equals the square. So you'll have one like that tomorrow, except for I think it's times 10 on y'all's problem tomorrow with different numbers. So let us know if you have any questions on how to do a problem like this today before you take a look at your quiz tomorrow.